The Corvette ZR1 will be an all-new model for the 2025 model year. It will be based on the C8 platform, but with significant modifications to its engine, transmission, bodywork, and interior. The ZR1 will be the most powerful production Corvette ever, surpassing the previous generation C7 ZR1 that had 755 horsepower. The exterior of the ZR1 will be similar to the Z6, but with more aggressive and distinctive features. The front fascia will have large air intakes, winglets, and a splitter that will improve cooling and aerodynamics. The hood will have vents that will help extract hot air from the engine bay. The rear end will have a massive wing that will generate downforce and a quad exhaust system that will emit a thunderous sound. The interior of the ZR1 will be similar to the other C8 models, but with some exclusive touches. The seats will be sportier and more supportive, with ZR1 logos and stitching. The steering wheel will have a flat bottom design and carbon fiber accents. The instrument cluster and infotainment screen will have ZR1 specific graphics and modes. The heart of the ZR1 will be a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine that will produce over 800 horsepower and 800 pounds-ft of torque. This engine will be derived from the flat-plane crank V8 that powers the Z6, but with added boost and cooling systems. The engine will be paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that will send power to the rear wheels. The ZR1 will have an incredible performance potential, with an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of less than 2.5 seconds and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is expected to debut in late 2024 or early 2025 as a 2025 model year vehicle. It will be available in limited numbers and at a premium price. We estimate that the ZR1 will start at around $150,000, which is about $50,000 more than the Z6 and $100,000 more than the base Stingray. So, what do you think? All the information in this video is unofficial. Still, the official specs, features, and 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.